Out here we got some lemon trees. Actually, the lemons in Ecuador are green, but they are lemons. We got lemons, we got orange tree right here. We've got a whole bunch of them. It's kind of cool. You can just come out here and pick lemons off the tree and go inside and make lemonade. And we were just sitting inside, and it's a Saturday, and it's beautiful out. So we were wondering what we can do today. We decided we're going to make a trip up to Río Verde, aka Green River. And they have a waterfall there called Pailón del Diablo. So we're going to check it out. Got my trusty camera, brand new, Nikon Coolpix, new to me, bought it used. Ready for a trip. Let's go to Green River. Alright guys, so we got our snacks, we got our coffee and bananas, all you need to keep you going in the day, and we're about to head out to Rio Verde. We're going to see a waterfall called Pailón del Diablo. Rio Verde. There's all sorts of sport fishing expeditions and things like that that you can do right here in the river. You can get guides to take you out. So we're just getting here now. I think we're going to go try to find El Pailón del Diablo, which is a waterfall. Should be pretty cool. On this bridge in Rio Verde. It's a beautiful, it's like a crystal clear river, but it's just got this green tint to it. Now we're going to head up to see the waterfall, Pailón del Diablo. Arod! Hola! Hi! Hi! Okay, so I just asked one of these guys, and he said that you just walk down this road for about 10 minutes. You come to a little wood house where you buy tickets, and then you get into the staircase that leads you right to the waterfall, Pailón del Diablo. Tourists. Good job for the hole in the road, Aaron. Good job. Good job.
walked for about 10 minutes or so, and long narrow pathway, and it brought us up to this little, I don't know what you call it, resort type place, and they have a little restaurant here and a place to buy ice creams, and I guess somewhere around here we're gonna have to buy some tickets and head right up that way to go to the waterfall. So they say 2 more minutes and we'll be at the waterfall. We just gotta climb this staircase up. Looks like there's some type of a trail in there. There's the waterfall. Pailón del Diablo, Río Verde, Ecuador. It gets a little chilly here, folks. Alright everybody, well that was our trip to Rio Verde, Green River, Ecuador, and Pailón del Diablo. Join us again next time. Thanks everybody. We'll see you.